Hello amazing forex trader, welcome to this amazing channel. Today I'm going to be explaining how I use my EMA and how to use your EMA properly so that you can know how to trade in case the zone does not intersect together with Fibonacci. So I'm going to be making this video very fast and clear. As you can see, I'm on a trade on BTC targeting the high to that low there. This is just a day trade, but it's like it's going to turn to swing trading. I never thought it would be this slow. Maybe it's because it is weekend. So now, as you can see, I'm using exponential moving average EMA. So how do you get this EMA? First thing first, you come to your indicator part. Once you go to your indicator part, you see the search bar there, that search icon there. What you're going to do, you should type it, then you search for EMA, just like that. Once you search for it, you'll see this different type of EMA, all the rest, blah blah blah. This particular one, moving average exponential, you should click on it. Once you click on it, you tap on it. Once you tap it, you see it have been ticked. So I'm going to take out this my own. I'm going to take it out. So this is the one presently. How do you do it? Only what you're going to do is you are going to come to the settings. Once you click on the setting part, you see the default number is 50 for the length. You see source, you see offsets, and the rest. So you leave all the rest in default. Only the one you're going to change is this one. You are going to change it to 50. 50 works like magic. Once you change it to 50, you realize automatically it changes. Then what you're going to work on is the color. I don't use this type of color, I use style. I use a different type of, I think, yeah, this one is more better. Yeah, this is the one I use. So this is the type of one I use at the moment. So that's what I do. So most especially, how do you use your Fibonacci, your exponential moving average? All these things I say, this is only the indicator I use. I don't use it for entry. I use it for confluence. For example, if the market is, I'm finding it hard to find out the direction of the market, only what I just do, I click on it. After clicking on it, I make it to be active. I check the point where the EMA is. If the EMA is currently below the market, it will be showing that it is bullish. If it is above, showing that it is bearish. You can find that market has been on this thing below it for long. On the 50, can you see, turning this EMA to be a support, but when it is above, it will be resistance. It will be a resistance. Like, look at this point here. Market has been above, and this it has been bearish. Look at it. Market has been above and at the bearish and always touching it at the side. But when when the EMA is at the middle, it's neither up or down, then you see it is consolidating. This is consolidating at the moment. You getting me? So this is how I use my EMA. Now, the main way I use my EMA sometimes is when an EMA intersect together with a support or a resistance zone, just like this. Once my EMAs intersect together with a support or resistance zone, what do? I quickly wait for some weak rejections on this, just like what this happened, just like this. I don't use candlestick for entry, so you all won't be mistaking me for those that use candlestick for entry. No, excuse me. I use candlestick as a confluence also. Now, this also was intersected together with this. So I now realized that this place will be a very nice area of entry. Now, I'll be showing you why I said so. Now, I'm going to also show you my thought process of this, how to use this. Now and below. Now, on the daily time frame is where I like plotting my minor support zone. Now, but on this point here, you can find that I like using Fibonacci. Now Fibonacci was at this point here, so I dragged this thing back below here, expecting for it to go to that side. So when I went to the let me take back this down back, when I went back to 4-hour time frame, and I realized that on the 4-hour time frame, market created this candlestick at that point there, and that candlestick also was together at this point here that intersect together with a EMA. Do you see EMA? So and I realized that if that EMA was still below, listen, please take note. If this EMA that is here was at this point here, was still at this point, then I'll be expecting this market to pull back down. But because this market came to this point, this EMA came to this point, I also intersected out with this. Not just that, also created a reversal candlestick. I now knew that market is bullish. So I now knew that market is not going to come to that Fibonacci level. This is where market is going to come to, and market came to it, was reacting on this point here, and broke out from it with this little bit candle. So it's at this point here on a lower time frame I took my trade, and now market is currently going forward to it, but I have to take profits at this point here. Market may likely reverse. So this is my first take profit at this point here. My first take profit is here. I don't usually use it to play. Our market is currently approaching at the moment, so we have 2 hours left for this to hit our take profit, and if it doesn't, then it will be for the next day. So this will be it. So carrying this from here to here, I think to be a 1-to-1 risk to reward, or a 1-to-2 risk to reward, so depending, but this way I'm expecting market to come to. So how did I enter this trade on a lower time frame, also using EMA? I came to the 15 minutes time frame after seeing a weak rejection on the 4-hour time frame. Now on this time frame, I now realized that at this point here the market was bearish because of the EMA. The EMA was above it, so the market was bearish. So I was waiting for the market, the EMA, to be below it. Now the EMA now became on below it, reacted on this, creating a double bottom, went back up. This was just like a neckline of the head of, this was the neckline, like neckline of the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So the neckline was this point here. So I was expecting market to break it. So I found that market decided to break it. Now look at it very well. After this was below it, giving me a confidence that market has changed structure. It is now bearish. It's now bullish. The market now broke out the neckline with a bullish engulfing. So when market broke out this neckline, change structure automatically, market pull back to this point here. I took my trade from here, from this point here. My stop loss always come, because the range always come below the 80% of the range. What did you see? Market retested. This EMA has been holding it, and what's voila, the market is in profit currently. So this is how to use your EMA, and that is the seed setting. This is only the EMA that you're supposed to be using at the moment. All these exponential 23 or 21, 10, when they move, when they cross over, then you look for entry. Those things does not work. This is only what you need, together with your technical analysis, together with your price action calculation or analysis. That's all what you need to be profitable. So if you like this content, please make sure if you like my, what they call it, please make sure you like, subscribe, and have a nice day.